Okay, so in order to make my NetCDF files, I need to open up my files. Then I am going to go to Windows C drive. Then I'm going to go to Mass Links. Then I'm going to press D on the keyboard once and then a second time. And then I'm going to open up databridge, which stands for Data Bridge. And then here I'm going to select Options, and I'm going to make sure the source is Mass Links and the target is NetCDF. So I'm going to be converting my raw Mass Links files into NetCDF files. Then I'm going to select OK. Then I'm going to press Select. And then I'm going to make sure I am in the folder with all of my raw files in. So I'm going to go back to the C drive. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find Mass Links. Then I'm going to select the Foresight Pro folder. And within that, I'm going to select the Data folder. And now I have all of my raw files listed down the side. And I'm just going to select the ones I want. So I'm going to select the most recent day by selecting the bottom one and then holding down Shift and selecting the top one. Then I'm going to select OK. Now I need to go onto Directory in order to choose where I want my files to go to. So if I go back to the C drive and then scroll down and select NetCDF, and I have created this folder to put all of my NetCDF files in. I need to make sure that wherever I save my files to, none of the folders that they are in have any spaces in their names, because if not, the files won't work. I'm going to select OK, and then I'm going to select Convert, and it will now scroll through each of these files in turn and convert them. So I'm just going to wait while it does that. Okay, so now that's finished. I'm going to close this. Then if I go back to my Windows C drive and open up the NetCDF folder, then if I change this to date modified, here are the files that I just created. Okay, and that is it.